To find the intercepts, x-intercepts, we set y equal to 0. And since it starts off with a negative leading coefficient, we want to apply the quadratic formula to this. So I'm going to multiply both sides times -1. Because in the quadratic formula we assume this is positive. Which is no problem because we can always multiply times -1 and make it positive like we're doing here. So we end up with 7x squared minus 14x plus 5 equals 0. Now we can apply the quadratic formula. X equals -b, which is -14 here. So negative of -14 plus or minus the square root of -14 squared minus 4 times a, which is 7, times c, which is 5, all divided by 2 times a, which is 7. So now to simplify this, negative of a -14 is 14. 14 squared is 196. And let's see, 20 times 7, that's minus 140. And 196 minus 140 is 56. And 7 times 2 down in the denominator is 14. So there we have our solutions to this quadratic equation, and we're going to evaluate that by picking the plus to get one answer and picking the negative to get another. So 56, the square root of 56, and add 14, and divide by 14, and we get, this is about equal to 1.5345 to 2. We're only rounding off to the nearest hundredth though, so 10th hundredth. So the 4 is less than 5, so I can truncate it there. And there we have our answer to the nearest hundredth for this, our first x-intercept here. We get another one by picking the negative instead of a positive, so 56 square root subtracted from 14, and then divide by 14, and we get 0.465 477 on and on, but we're only rounding off to the nearest hundredth place. The 5 will cause the 6 to round up to a 7, so we get 0.47 for our approximate x-intercept here. So there we have our two x-intercepts of this parabola.